Hello guys, hope you all are well. So today we are going to study the topic under shelves and card of Tableau, that is pages. But before going further, kindly subscribe UNT channel. Pages shelf will let you break a view into series of pages so that you can better analyze how a specific field affect the rest of the data in view. As you can see here, data of sales of 3 category is shown for 4 months. Further, by sequence of pages, we have reached to July month. And similarly, with the sequence of pages, we can see the data for all 12 months. Here you can see that sales of all 12 months are visualized in one view. Moreover, with the usage of pages, we can also show these types of data with more precision and clarity in the form of animations. As in Tableau pages, it provides the option of executing dimensions and measures automatically over the view. In pages, single view is shown in series of frames that can be further animated, and hence this would provide high impact for learning and understanding data. So now we would be shifting over on Tableau to implement pages for our data. So in Tableau, we have been connected with Superstore data. The link for the same is mentioned below in description box. After connecting data today, we want to visualize the sales of each category of product for 12 months. I repeat, we want to visualize the sales of each category of product for 12 months, for which I am picking order date over to columns and converting it to months, for which I have to right click over it and then convert to months. After clicking over it, you can see now on x-axis it is shown as months. Further, we want to visualize the sales for 12 months. So I am picking the sales and would be keeping it over to rows, where sales as it was measured would be aggregated with some function and would show the total sales according to months. But as mentioned in question, we need to visualize sale for each category. So I am picking category and keeping it over to color. Now all category are shown distinctly. Kindly go to the description below for checking the video where I have explained that how marks are useful for showing variety of information on single view. Now as we are seeing, the sales are for 12 months, but is not giving me much clarity for every month. So I need to execute this visualization in such a way that it would show me the sales for every month one by one, for which I am keeping order date on pages and converting it to months. Now you can see the right side of the Tableau visualization panel, there comes the page card. By keeping data over pages, view changed from lines to dots for 1 month. You can see that the dots are very small in size, so I am increasing it and converting it to circle, and now you can clearly visualize the dots. The line is converted to dot is because pages would divide your view into set of pages that are mentioned in pages card. Here I have mentioned that the view should be divided among pages of months, so you can see order date data, which is dimension, would be shown in pages with all its discrete values as different pages in it. So we can select the distinct page directly, and we can also select the distinct page automatically to run in an animated manner. You can see here are 3 buttons, that is backward, stop and forward, which would represent the method to play animation. And there are some other buttons, that is the speed buttons, that would be showing the speed of the animation that you are executing. Further, for much better analysis, we can see that there is an option of history. From this history option, we can see the previously played pages, and for that we have to click on Show History button. So you can see when I have clicked on the Show History button, all the previous executed pages are shown in this blurred option. So we have to see that what are the options inside this history button. There are many options in this history button, where the first one of it is marks to show the history for, where we have the 4 types of marks, that is the selected. Why seeing this selected? It would be only showing the selected marks only. Then we have the highlighted view, that would be showing only the highlighted versions. Then we have the manual, that would be showing the manual views. And then we have the all, which will be showing you all the pages. Further we have length, which would be showing you the number of pages, where all means that previously executed all the pages it will be showing on the screen. And here last means that will be showing us only the last 5 pages. Further we have show, which is not eligible always. Many times it is not eligible because in our chart we are not working on marks, or we are not working on the shape of the different marks. As now in this view we are working on square or we are working on circle, so it will be showing us this option of marks, trail and both. But if your chart would not be using any of this mark, for example I am using line, then the option of marks, trail and both will not be shown. This option would be eligible if and only if we are using the shapes as marks. So I am using the circle shape, and then the option of history with show marks and trail will be shown. Further we have next option asks that whether we want to see marks, trail and both. As I have just told you that sometimes these options will not be shown, but when these will be shown, we can have the options of choosing out of these 3, that we want to see only the marks, or we want to see the trails with it, and we want to see both of them together. Further, after this show marks option, we have the option for formatting the marks, where we can format these marks according to their required color option. We can also fade the color of the marks or the color of the previously executed pages according to our requirement. And further we have the trail option, which can also be formatted with a different type of lines, which can be used with various dashed lines or widen line or different type of lines options. And with this we can see that our marks is being created and our pages are being visualized in a better way in visualization. Further, for this we can execute these pages together, and once we are executing these pages, now it is visualizing your data in an animated manner, and that too in best type of a visualization that we have always preferred of. But remember, we can create pages using dimension and Myers both, where in this first view dimension order date is used to create animation. We can also use Myers in pages to show animations. So moving to our next question to see how Myers would work with pages, where our question is find the sales of all subcategory of products. So here according to the question we have kept subcategory over to columns and some sales over to rows, and we have sorted the data in descending order. Here the sales is shown subcategory wise, but I want to see the result in animated way, where I want to see the sales of each subcategory one by one. So I am dragging some sales over pages, and see when I am keeping some sales over pages, it have changed to blue color, which means now it have been changed to discrete Meyer. And you can also see in pages that each page have discrete value of some sales. Hence we can say pages helps data to show in animation, where dimension on pages would show animation for its every discrete value, and similarly when Myers is kept over pages, it would convert to discrete Meyer and would show its value as discrete value and animate accordingly. So now when I'm executing this data, you can see that it will be showing us the bars and all the bars one by one in a descending order of its sales, and hence we can visualize it very clearly that what will be the sale for each subcategory. So this was about the pages. I hope you all are now well equipped with the concept of pages. If you got the concept and understand that how we can provide animations to our charts in Tableau, then don't forget to comment and like on this video. Kindly stay connected with us for further videos. Till then, stay safe, take care, and thank you.